or Nitrotech. Here is more with RC cars, electronic scooter, motorbike, and so on. Make sure, I believe that they are from UK, because the first one is GBP, it's the pounds, their money. And make sure you already register, otherwise you can't do business with them. Let's go first of all down and see wholesale. Why source your stock from Nitrotech? And they explain to you everything. If you want to be partner or do drop shipping on eBay or Amazon, they are looking for it. And like they said, not just eBay UK and Amazon UK. They want to look more, they want to have more coverage of that, because there are hundreds of marketplaces also in Europe and all over the world. So they explain to you how to open a wholesale dropshipping account. You can open a trade account very easy, simple. You need to complete the form. You have here the link, and just go there. They show their brands, Buy Toys, ACM. Yeah, I'm not going. I'll just go really fast through that. And of course, read about all the details on their website, and make sure that if you have any question, send them an email, ask everything before you start a partnership with them. Make sure you do that.